Hello students, welcome. Good morning. I am Nishant Kumar Soni. I am mentor of your mathematics circle. So I taught circle. So circle is one of the important chapter of the conic section. One of the important chapter of the conic section, and all year JEE Mains and Advanced ask one question. So let's introduce about the circle. So do you know about the circle? What is the circle? So let us start the definition of the circle. So see, circle. Circle is the locus of the moving point in XY plane. XY plane, that means two-dimensional plane. So like that, two-dimensional plane. The locus of the moving point in two-dimensional plane such that the distance from the arbitrary point HK to the fixed point is always constant. Suppose this is the HK and this is the arbitrary point, this is the constant, and this diagram gives the circle. This is the circle. So definition is the locus of moving point on two-dimensional plane such that the distance from fixed point are constant. So the fixed point is called center, and constant distance this is called radius. Okay. Here this is a circle, so distance will be constant. So this is the R, and this point, this is the O. So O is the center. Here this point O, this is the center, and R, this is the radius. Okay. Now moving to the equation portion. So this is the definition of the circle. So here once again I am repeating. This is the locus of the moving point in XY plane such that XY plane or two-dimensional plane such that the distance from the fixed point are always constant. Let us I will give you one example. See, suppose this is the traditional canned sugar machine. And this is connected by one bamboo. And here there other animal or person are moving, then bamboo is also moving. That means bamboo goes like that there also, and this will come also there. So this will go like that, this type. So this trajectory gives the circle. This is a traditional example in daily life, example of our life. And also one example, suppose one stone is tightened by one string and you are moving like that, then this trajectory gives also the circle. Now moving to the equation of the circle. So from the definition, let center be HK. So wait. No, center, we are not taking HK. Let center be x1, y1 and radius be r, and arbitrary point P is the HK. So we can say that in circle, this is the point P, HK, center is the x1, y1, and their radius will be the r. So distance R is from the distance formula h minus x1 square plus k minus y1 square. Now moving to the next squaring, that is so h minus x1 square plus k minus y1 square, this is equal to r square. So h is replaced by x and k is replaced by y because this is the moving point. So x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square, this is the r square. So this equation gives the one equation of the circle, and this equation called center radius form. Center radius form. Here center as well as radius will be given, then we can find out from this equation. Suppose one example, suppose the circle having center 1 2 and radius 5 units. Find equation of circle. Find equation of circle. So see, one question with the circle having center 1 2 and radius is the 5 unit, and find the equation of the circle. So we directly use this formula, center radius form. So this is the x minus 1 square and y minus 2 square, this is the 5 square. This is the 5 square. Graphically, suppose this is my circle, this point will be the 1 2 and radius will be the 5 unit. Now moving to the general equation of the circle, and we discussed the equation of the circle in many different forms also. So we are moving to the general equation of the circle. General equation of the circle. See, so general equation of circle comes from the general equation of conic section. So first we retain the general equation of conic section. So general equation of conic section. This is the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is equal to 0. But this is represent either circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Now we are classifying when this equation represent the circle. So this equation represent circle when a equal to b equal to 1, first condition, and h equal to 0, as well as delta, this is the not equal to 0. Delta not equal to, if delta will be the 0, then this general equation of conic section will represent the pair of a straight line. So delta means ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. Delta can be written like that also, ABC FGH FGH. So this will be the non-zero in case of conic section and circle. So this equation can be transformed. This equation can be transformed like this equation can be transformed for circle is the ax square. Sorry, not ax square. Only this equation will be transformed x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now we are characterize center and radius of this circle in next slide. So general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is equal to 0. Here center will be the minus g and minus f, and radius will be root under g square plus f square minus c. This will be the comes by making the perfect square of this equation like that. See, x square plus 2gx. We are adding g square and subtracting g square also, plus y square plus 2fy plus f square minus f square plus c. This is equal to 0. So x plus g का whole square plus y plus f to the whole square. This is the g square plus f square minus c to the power 1 by 2 or square root to the whole square. So in this equation we can say that when x equal to minus g, देखो x plus g this is equal to 0, so x equal to minus g, and y plus f this is equal to 0, so y equal to minus. So xy, see xy this is the minus g minus f, this is the center, this is the center, and r will be square root of g square plus f square plus c. So from any general equation of the circle they are giving, and they are saying like that question ki circles, find the center of the circle, find the radius of the circle, find the diameter of the circle. Also said that we find the parametric equation of the circle. So we are moving to the another form of the equation of circle. So see, now the another form is parametric form. Parametric form. So here in parametric form, starting from the standard form of the circle, suppose like this equation of circle is x minus x1 to the power whole square plus y minus y1 to the power whole square. This is the r. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta which is equal to 1 when we are taking x minus x1 equal to r cos theta and y minus y1 equal to r sin theta, like that. X minus x1 equal to r cos theta, y minus y1 equal to r sin theta, then this equation will be satisfied like this equation, x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square which is equal to r square. So x is the x1 plus r cos theta and y is the y1 plus r sin theta. So this is the parametric equation of the circle. This is the parametric equation of the circle. So see, when this is the parametric equation of the circle, so x1 y1, x1 y1, x1 y1, this one represent center and this is the radius. This is the radius. So see the one example. See one example. Suppose since our parametric form the equation is x equal to 5 plus 7 cos theta and y equal to minus 2 plus 7 sin theta. So this is represent the circle. This is represent the circle having center will be the 5 and minus 2 and radius will be the 7 and equation will be the x minus 5 to the whole square, y plus 2 to the whole square. This is the 7 square. Now we are moving to the in general form also. So this is our standard form. Suppose we have the general equation of circle like that, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, this is equal to 0. Here center will be the minus g and minus f and radius will be the radius. This is the square root of g square plus f square minus c. So parametric form equation of parametric form, this will be x equal to minus g plus root under g square plus f square minus c cos theta and y equal to minus f plus root under g square plus f square minus c sin theta. So this is the center and this is the radius. So one question also asked like that, suppose this is the circle where equation will be the x square plus y square equal to a square. So center will be the 0, 0 and radius will be the a. So parametric form point P is the A cos theta and A sin theta. So this is the parametric form, and their example and also the general equation to how to convert in the parametric equation. Now moving to the diametric form of the equation of the circle. Diametric form. So in this case we are given the end point of diameter of the circle. Suppose this is the circle and this is the diameter, and we are giving x1, y1, x2, y2, end point of diameter. We know that when the end point of diameter meets the any circumference of the circle, it will give 90 degrees. This is P is the moving point. This is the let's consider xy. So this is the A and this is the B. So we know that PA is the perpendicular to the PB. So slope of PA into slope of PB, this is equal to -1. So we can say that slope of PA, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, and y minus y2 divided by x minus x2, this is equal to -1, and this can be written like that, x minus x1, this is multiplied like -1 and comes to the left side, so x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, this is equal to 0. So this equation gives the equation of the circle, in diametric form. So this is the equation of the circle in diametric form. Here the end point of the diameter are given, then we can write the equation of the circle like that, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2. Now moving to the last topic of the equation of the circle, when circle pass through the three non-collinear points, like that. The equation of circle passing through three non-collinear points. So see, this is the circle, and we are going to write the equation of circle passing through three non-collinear: A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y. So there are two ways. Once complete write the general equation of circle and satisfy these 3 points and find out the value of G, F and C, one method. And another method is the determinant method. This is the easier method. So this is the x square plus y square minus x3 square plus y3 square, x minus x3, y minus y3, x1 square plus y1 square minus x3 square plus y3 square, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3, x2 square plus y2 square minus x3 square plus y3 square, x2 minus x3 and y2 minus y3, this is equal to 0. So by solving these determinants, we give our equation. We are finding the equation. So we got our equation, and this equation is the equation of circle when 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are non-collinear points passing through the three non-collinear points. So this is the equation of circle. Now in next lecture, we will discuss when circle touches the axis, when circle intersects the axis, and other many terms of the circle, tangent, normal, and also different properties of the circle. So this is the briefing of the equation of the circle. Thank you so much. Thank you.